Hey guys, how you doing? Quick update on Funko. It does look like the monthly chart on Funko is about to break on the bullish MACD. It's been bearish for the last couple of months now, but it does look like it's going to break the month MACD and run towards the bullish side. The last time it did this, it ran from about $9 all the way up to about 30. 30 divided by 9, what is that? 1, 2, 3, like a 3x from here. I think as soon as I think right now it would be a good idea to buy maybe 3-4 month out contracts, maybe for some lotto tickets at like $25. I think I'm going to be doing that. I think I'm going to be buying some contracts for, what are we, November, December, January? I think I'm going to be buying some $25 Funko contracts for March. Those are going to be some crazy lotto tickets. Can it hit that? I don't know, man. I'm more than 50% sure that it does have a chance of Funko going back up to those highs, especially with the holidays coming up, Cyber Monday, you know, Amazon Prime, everything doing really well, right? So, and then with the vaccine and everything going back to normal, man, I don't know. I do think that Funko has a really good shot at moonshotting all the way back up. So I think come Monday open, I am going to be putting, you know, a good amount into some lotto tickets for 3-4 months out. So December, January, so about March, maybe the end of March, for like $25. I think I'm probably gonna buy some come Monday. But again, these are some lotto tickets. I don't recommend anybody do these plays, but this is just something that can possibly hit. I'm maybe like 60-70% sure that this Funko play might actually hit. It's good. It's been getting really good momentum, and this last month it's just been getting a bunch of rise in hype and actually being talked about. And then I think recently there was a huge article about Funko, and then come December, Funko and Disney are actually partnering up in Disney Plus to release an animated series. There are rumors that Disney might be a potential buyer for Funko. I don't know if this is true. It might not completely play out at all, but there have been talks about Disney possibly partnering up with Funko or buying them out. I don't know for sure. I do think it would be an amazing partnership, because then that way Disney can actually start selling Funko, or at least more exclusive stuff within Disneyland, Disney World, you know, everywhere. But yeah, I think come Monday I'm gonna be buying some $25 4-month out contracts for Funko. These are lotto tickets, so you know, if you guys think it's gonna hit, great. If not, we'll see. But I might be right, I might be wrong. We'll see in the next 3-4 months, right? By March.